Alright, my friends, this is my dinner here. It's my dinner for today. I have a glass of water there and a glass of orange juice. Yes. And some fried potatoes with macaroni and cheese. And boiled plantains. And fried chicken. Yes, fried chicken with some ketchup. Alright. So this is just my dinner for today. Ordinary dinner. This is not a created, menu, cuisine. This is just ordinary. Don't feel like doing any major cooking, so this is what's been made for me. Yes, some potato, steak spud, I call them. And some macaroni and cheese, and some boiled plantains. Yes, those are plantains. Those are not bananas, my friend. Those are plantains. All right. All right. So you're looking at boiled plantains, fried chicken, and steak spud with macaroni and cheese, glass of water, and a glass of orange juice. Yes. So this is what I'm having for today. And tomorrow I'll be creating a recipe. Yes, tomorrow I'll be in the kitchen creating a recipe for my channel tomorrow that I'll be bringing to you at the premiere near you. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, please like and share when you see this short video. Please support it, my friend. I appreciate you all the time, always. Alright, so this will be uploaded into my channel. Alright, so this is my dinner here for this evening. Nothing fancy, nothing elaborate. Alright. I don't have to do no intro, no outro. Yes, no fancy title. Yes, no fancy thumbnail. I'm sending this straight to YouTube. Alright. To my cooking channel. Alright, there's my orange juice. Yes, that's my orange juice. You see my mate sitting on the chair over there? Yes. Alright, not editing anything. Alright, thank you.